You are going to love the 2026 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.